Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix DeepL Extension Not Working in Edge. Okay, so we're talking about the extensions that you can find inside the three dots right here, settings. Okay, so just click on the settings option and then go with the extensions option that you can get through by going with the left hand menu right here. So that's the extension, it's the third last option. Click it and let's say that you want to add an extension and it's DeepL extension. So go with get extensions right here for Microsoft Edge and look for DeepL. Okay, click it and then go with get. Okay, and add extension. So now you will need to make sure that the extension is enabled. Okay, how so? You will need to get back to the extensions right here and make sure that's turned on. Okay, if not, you will need to toggle it on, and if it's already on, just go ahead, toggle it off and then on to refresh it. Okay, and also really advise to update the extension as well. So you will need enable the developer mode that you can see on the left side, that one. So go ahead, enable it. Okay, and then go and click on updates right here at the top left of the extensions menu. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.